Hello, my friends. Grapes are fruits with good nutritional and therapeutic value. It has been known since ancient times, as the Chinese and Indians imitate for its high nutritional value. Their grape colors, such as green and white as well as black and red. Grape nutritional value. Grapes of all kinds are characterized by a good percentage of fast-absorbing and easy-to-digest sugars, where glucose and fructose sugar are highly concentrated. Grapes are also rich in vitamins, such as vitamin C. It also contains a good percentage of mineral elements, as well as vitamin B. It contains potassium, calcium, and sodium minerals. Grapes also contain substances with a therapeutic effect. It contains a compound known as resveratrol. This substance is characterized by its positive effect in reducing atherosclerosis. It has a direct and significant effect in reducing cholesterol, which reduces the incidence of heart disease. It also reduces bad cholesterol LDL in the blood. There are some acids in grapes that play a role in preventing the accumulation of free radicals. Thus, it is a good anti-cancer. Osteoporosis and grapes. Scientific research indicates that osteoporosis, or what is also known as osteoporosis, is one of the diseases that spread widely in societies. However, it is very common in women. Bones lose their strength, hardness, and texture when they start to lose calcium, which is the basic unit for building and maintaining bones. Hormones directly control this process. Fortunately, grapes contain the mineral podone, which is important and contributes to the process of increasing the estrogen hormone in females when they reach puberty. Thus, this hormone works to reduce exposure to this silent disease, osteoporosis, at this age. This important hormone for women, estrogen, works to absorb calcium, which is usually in food, but its absorption rate decreases with age in men and women in general. However, it affects women more. The action of estrogen is very important in the absorption process, and even in increasing the absorption of calcium, as well as increasing the process of deposition and adding calcium to the bones. It is very important as it contributes strongly and directly to strengthening bones and reducing their fragility and weakness. Benefits of grapes for pregnant women. There is not yet enough research on the relationship of grapes to pregnancy. However, nutrition experts generally advise pregnant women to avoid eating grapes during pregnancy. It may increase the risk of bleeding when used with anticoagulant drugs, as noted by the medical website Cell Health Makeover. In addition to painkillers, such as aspirin and ibuprofen, it is better to consult a doctor before taking it, as it may interfere with some medications during pregnancy and lactation. Benefits of grapes for the skin. Grapes can be used to lighten the skin and face naturally. According to the international Turkish doctor Mehmet, where this is done by crushing the fruits of grapes, then adding a few tablespoons of flour. Then put the mixture on the face and leave it for about 10 minutes before rinsing it with water. Benefits of grapes for hair. Grapefruit extract oil can be used as a treatment for hair loss. It contains a high percentage of vitamin E, which is essential for hair growth. Essential fatty acids. The researchers had confirmed that grape oil can help to overcome the hormone dihydrotestosterone, which works to stop the growth of hair follicles. This is when testing on laboratory animals. Benefits of grapes for the liver. In 1936, researchers had noticed the presence of compounds with therapeutic benefits in grapes, including flavonoids. More than 70 years later, recent studies are now confirming the importance of these compounds and their role as hepatotoxic. These compounds are powerful antioxidants found in high concentrations in grapes, especially in dark varieties such as red, purple, and black. These compounds are concentrated near the skin of grapes. Many stories and legends have been woven around grapes. In some countries, grapes are a symbol of fertility, and the ancient peoples had the highest appreciation for him and considered his tree blessed. Asia is the root of the grapevine, and the Phoenicians are the ones who transported it to the islands of Greece, Sicily, Italy, Marseille, Egypt, and others. Most of the ancient Arab doctors recommended grapes to their patients due to its nutritional and medicinal benefits. They mentioned that it is good for the stomach and strengthens the body, generate new blood, benefit the chest and lung. It activates sexual power. Modern medicine mentions many benefits of grapes, including it contains a high percentage of fast-absorbing sugars, glucose, fructose, sucrose that provide the body with instant energy. Of course, diabetics and obese people should be careful not to overeat grapes because it is one of the fruits rich in sugar. Grapes contain a good group of vitamins, including vitamins A, B, C, and BB, and the latter plays a major role in strengthening the walls of small capillaries. Recent studies revealed that grape skins contain an important chemical compound called resveratrol. It has a long history of stopping the aging process and in protection from a number of diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and dementia. Grapes have a good amount of minerals, especially potassium, which prevents high blood pressure, and bone-strengthening calcium, iron, which is essential for making red blood cells, and selenium mineral, which prevents hardening of the arteries and keeps cancer away. According to a recent American study, researchers found that its peel and seeds contain polyphenols, which have a great ability to kill dangerous oral bacteria involved in tooth decay. The researchers are counting on this discovery to stop the bacteria at its limit, and thus to prevent caries, the sworn enemy of the teeth. Polyphenols are compounds known for their powerful antioxidant action, which is why they are useful in thwarting the schemes of free radicals, which is behind a group of serious human diseases. Grapes are rich in tannin. Grapes contain a good amount of dietary fiber that is useful in preventing constipation, in reducing the level of cholesterol in the blood, in regulating the level of sugar, and in helping to get rid of harmful substances and waste. There are fruit acids in grapes that are useful in securing smoothness of the skin and in getting rid of skin cells. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates.